How to use media relations strategically to boost SEO. To improve your company's SEO, leverage media placements to build credible backlinks, anchor text, and website authority. Start by identifying priority keywords. Make a list by compiling common questions you receive from prospects and identify shared words or themes. Once you have a broad list, plug phrases into Google's keyword planner to assess search volume and competition. Focus on moderately searched phrases with low competition. Overly competitive phrases will be tough to rank for, especially for a newer domain without much authority. Evaluate the competitive landscape. Search your target keyword phrase in Google and make a list of domains ranking on the first 1-3 pages. You can likely compete with sites ranking 15 points higher than you in domain authority. Pitch strategically. Focus pitches on outlets already ranking well for your phrase, ideally with higher domain authority than you. Getting placements on these credible, topically relevant sites will signal to search engines that you are an authority on the topic too. Secure backlinks and anchor text. The goal is to secure backlinks, strategic mentions of your brand name that link to your site. For best results, link to deeper content focused on the topic, not just your homepage. Track and measure. Use Google Analytics to view which publishers drive the most referrals and dig into visitor behavior. Are people sticking around and browsing more pages from certain link sources? With persistence and the right media placements, you can move the needle on keyword rankings and site visibility by aligning PR and SEO efforts